What happens when a silent cyber attack teams up with fleets of AI-powered drones on the battlefield? The result is a new kind of warfare that's faster, smarter, and more unpredictable than ever before. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. By combining advanced hacking with autonomous drones that can think and react on their own, militaries gain the power to outsmart traditional defenses. In this video, we'll uncover how this powerful partnership works and why it's reshaping the future of modern conflict. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. The rise of AI-driven warfare. AI-driven warfare marks a turning point in military history, shifting battles from brute force to intelligent strategy. Unlike traditional weapons that rely entirely on human control, AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data, predict threats, and act in real time. This innovation has transformed drones into autonomous machines capable of scouting, targeting, and even launching coordinated attacks without constant operator guidance. When paired with cyber warfare, silent digital strikes that can paralyze enemy networks, AI warfare becomes even more powerful. Together, they redefine conflict by combining speed, precision, and adaptability. This new era proves that the smartest weapons often aren't the loudest, but the ones working silently in the background. Number 2. AI's role in advancing drone technology. Artificial intelligence has turned drones from basic flying machines into highly advanced battlefield assets. Traditional drones depended on human pilots for every move, but AI allows them to think, learn, and react on their own. Using sensors, cameras, and machine learning, these drones can detect obstacles, adjust flight paths, and complete missions even when communications are jammed. This makes them reliable under pressure and adaptable in hostile environments. AI also improves targeting accuracy, reducing errors and collateral damage. By automating navigation and decision-making, drones can respond to changes faster than humans ever could. This leap in capability has made AI-powered drones an indispensable part of modern military operations worldwide. Number 3. Swarm intelligence, power in numbers. One of the most revolutionary advances in drone technology is swarm intelligence, an AI capability inspired by nature. Picture hundreds of drones flying together like a coordinated flock of birds or a colony of bees. Each drone communicates with the others, sharing data in real time to adjust tactics as conditions change. Swarms can surround targets, confuse enemy defenses, and divide roles to achieve complex goals quickly. Even if several drones are lost, the swarm adapts and continues its mission seamlessly. This coordination makes drone swarms extremely difficult to counter. Swarm intelligence amplifies the effectiveness of drones on the battlefield, proving that teamwork, powered by AI, is a formidable force in warfare. Number 4. Cyber warfare, the silent battlefield. Cyber warfare represents the invisible front line of modern conflict. Unlike traditional weapons, cyber attacks strike through networks, disabling critical systems without firing a single shot. Hackers can disrupt communications, steal intelligence, or sabotage key infrastructure long before physical battles begin. When combined with AI, these attacks become faster and more precise, capable of identifying vulnerabilities in enemy defenses almost instantly. Cyber tools can also jam radars, confuse GPS, or even disable enemy drones mid-flight. This silent yet devastating form of warfare weakens opponents from within, giving AI-powered drones a clear advantage in the skies. Together, cyber warfare and AI form a powerful duo that redefines how battles are fought today. Number 5. How cyber attacks strengthen AI-powered drones. Cyber attacks and AI-powered drones form a perfect partnership, each enhancing the other's strengths. While drones capture live battlefield data, like enemy positions and weak spots, cyber attacks use this information to infiltrate networks and disrupt defenses. At the same time, cyber tools can disable radars or jam communications, paving the way for drones to strike with minimal resistance. This integration allows militaries to launch coordinated assaults that overwhelm opponents from both air and digital fronts simultaneously. Defensive benefits also exist. AI-driven cyber systems can detect hacking attempts aimed at drones and stop them before they succeed. By working hand in hand, cyber attacks and drones create a seamless and highly effective strategy for modern warfare. Number 6. GPS, free navigation, and overcoming electronic warfare. One of the greatest challenges in drone operations is reliance on GPS, which enemies often target with electronic jamming or spoofing. However, AI has revolutionized this by enabling drones to navigate without GPS altogether. Instead, they use visual mapping, onboard sensors, and machine learning to analyze their surroundings and plot precise routes. This makes them highly dependable in areas where electronic interference is intense. Cyber attacks complement this advantage by targeting enemy communication and GPS systems, further crippling their operations. Together, these tactics ensure AI-powered drones can operate unhindered, even in electronic warfare-heavy zones. This breakthrough has made drones smarter, harder to intercept, and far more effective on today's complex battlefields. Number 7. Real-world example. The conflict in Ukraine has showcased how AI-powered drones and cyber warfare reshape real-world battles. Ukrainian forces, for example, have deployed drones capable of navigating without GPS, allowing them to continue missions despite heavy electronic interference. Cyber operations have targeted enemy communication networks, disrupted supply chains, and even disabled drones mid-flight. This combined strategy has proven that the synergy between drones and cyber attacks can outmaneuver traditional defenses. Both sides in the conflict have relied on these technologies to gain a tactical edge, demonstrating that future wars will increasingly be defined by who controls smarter machines rather than who has larger armies. Ukraine's battlefield highlights the importance of innovation in modern warfare. Number 8. Adaptive AI defenses. As offensive technologies advance, so do defensive measures powered by AI. Adaptive AI defense systems monitor threats in real time, learning and evolving to counter enemy tactics. For drones, this means better protection against hacking, jamming, and cyber intrusions. These systems can instantly detect suspicious activity, reroute drones to safer paths, or block attempts to take control of their navigation. By analyzing each attack, AI defenses grow smarter over time, improving strategies for future encounters. This self-learning capability is crucial in an environment where both attackers and defenders constantly adapt. Adaptive defenses ensure AI-driven drones and cyber networks stay secure, giving militaries an edge by maintaining control of their operations. Number 9. Ethical and security challenges of AI cyber warfare. The rise of AI cyber warfare brings not only power, but also serious ethical and security dilemmas. One pressing issue is accountability. When autonomous drones make decisions that lead to unintended damage, who is responsible? There's also the danger of these technologies falling into the wrong hands, such as rogue states or non-state actors, who could misuse them for harmful purposes. Mistakes by AI systems, such as misidentifying civilian targets, further complicate their deployment. Global regulations have struggled to keep up with these advancements, creating a gap in oversight. Balancing innovation with ethics and security is essential to prevent these powerful tools from escalating conflicts or causing unintended consequences on a large scale. Number 10. The future of AI warfare. Looking ahead, the fusion of AI, drones, and cyber operations will continue to redefine how wars are fought. Drone swarms will likely become faster, smarter, and more autonomous, capable of making complex decisions with little human input. Cyber attacks will also grow more sophisticated, exploiting weaknesses in enemy defenses with unprecedented precision. Some experts believe these advancements could help prevent conflicts by detecting threats early, but others warn about the risk of misuse and accidental escalation. The future battlefield will rely less on soldiers and more on intelligent machines coordinating in real time. This new era demands both innovation and caution to harness the benefits of AI while minimizing its dangers. The alliance of AI-driven drones and cyber warfare is reshaping battlefields, blending digital strikes with aerial precision to outsmart traditional defenses. While this technology offers remarkable advantages, it also demands responsible use to prevent catastrophic misuse. As the future of conflict continues to evolve, awareness and caution are more important than ever. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.